is basically what it says. It's the management of real estate assets of a corporation. So there are companies like investment banks or insurance companies that hold real estate assets as an investment, like stocks or bonds. That's not the focus. The focus is companies that need real estate, like buildings, land, for their production. So like office people, consultants, they need an office. Production companies need workshops or factories to produce goods, storages to store goods. All that is real estate. And the professional management of that asset class as a production factor, that's actually corporate real estate management. I believe that companies will discover corporate real estate management as a lever for their success, to optimize their cost, and to actually consider real estate more of a strategic resource than they're doing it today. I think especially for the formerly state-owned companies, there is a huge value potential in that, because I think they inherited very large, very heterogeneous portfolios where a lot of their assets that they are currently holding do not really support their business purpose. So there is a huge potential, I think, to improve that portfolio, to simplify it for management, to reduce cost, and actually to balance or to serve the actual need with the right supply. So like the right building in the right size, in the right quality. I think a lot of these companies, they have a lot of buildings, but if you check what they actually need, none of these really fits. So I think that's something they will, or I hope they will figure out soon, and see that there is a lot of improvement potential. International companies will anyway focus on that, I believe, steered by their headquarters where corporate real estate management might already be established. So I think if these companies enter the market, I expect them to kind of educate the market. That other companies see like, oh, look how they are doing it. Actually, they're pretty professional. Why don't we do that as well? Following that path, actually, I would say, of course, there are more important aspects and functions in management and the successful management of a company. So yes, core business should always be first, that's clear. But in my opinion, that's not an either-or question, either focusing on core business or real estate or support business. I'd suggest to tackle it, to start with it, and to identify that as an area for improvement and for professionalization as well, because it will help the core business eventually. It will help the people to work more productive, to be more satisfied maybe with their work, to actually deliver a better performance. It will support the financial position of the company. Assets are usually, or at least depending on the company, quite a significant category on the balance sheet. And also the cost per real estate can have a significant impact. So tackling that should help the company become better, more professional in many areas.
Thank you.
Welcome.